Good morning, everybody. I thought I'd do a little bit of unboxing today because yesterday, oh yeah. Okay, so let's right, so basically yesterday I had a delivery from Mini Spares. Bit of a tip, Mini Spares, you blew my cover. Yeah, it's covered in Mini Spares, mini spares. Yeah, guess what the wife did? Told me off. I'm gonna have to get stuff sent to my parents again, aren't I? Yeah. Why can't you put nothing on there? Anyway, I love Mini Spares. Cheers, guys. So yesterday, this came to my house and all my little bits and pieces. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through what I got. I got the anti-leak kit for the gear selector. That's in there. There's the gearbox. Speedo cover gasket. That's that one. Speedo cover gasket. These are the two seals for the drive shafts, drive output shafts. And I only got two of the C clips for the drive shaft. These are the ones that go on the they go on the end. I think these go on the drive shaft outside ends. The inside ones they didn't have. That is the gudgeon pin for the gear selector. Put that back in there. Boots, CV boots for the internals. Two of with the cable ties and the clips. And that, bit extravagant, but that was £35. That is the removal tool to get the input shafts out of the gearbox casing. So I take it, you put this in and then give it a good welt with a hammer. So I got that, which I can use again. Unless you're my wife, I'm not getting another one, don't worry. And then these are the shafts. Two new ones, the internal CV joints. So, yeah. They come with a bloody boot on them. And they come with a... Oh. Okay. It's come already with the boot on. So, I didn't need those bits. I'm going to take them back. So they're like £5 each. Get a little trick. And also, they come with the C-clip. So, that's the result. So, I've got a couple of things to take back to Mini Spares there. Those bits. No need. Yeah, so that's that. And then, I'm like a child in a sweet shop. Oh, hey. The other thing is this. My so this is what I painted the other day, and it has come up nice and shiny, and it's all the way around, and that is going to look absolutely pucker when it goes back on the engine. So I'm going to keep that covered up for now, and yeah, that's it. Cheers, guys, and look out for my next video.